Right out of the box, I have to admit that STK Cruise SMC970 Bluetooth speaker has a gorgeous design. This device is made out of polycarbonate shell which is transparent and looks glossy with the white colored panel on the inner side. The shape of this device seems like a water droplet that stands out from hundreds of other Bluetooth speakers that looks boxy. Grooves offer better sound resonance as it leaves a wider space under the speaker to boost to lower frequencies that results in great sound output. The speaker has only one LED light that works as a notification, alert, and status indicator. Due to the transparent shell, the LED lights up the whole device and it looks great. On the top of the speaker, there is a key which controls call connect, disconnect, and also get device into a pairing mode. On the lower side of the device, there is a USB port for charging the speaker and also 3.5mm headphone jack through which we can connect a smartphone to the device without using Bluetooth. On the bottom, there is a volume control button and power on off switch, which in my opinion is not a great placement, as I had to pick up the device every time to turn it on and off or change the volume. As the name suggests, STK Cruise SMC970 connects via Bluetooth. Pairing this device with your smartphone is quite simple and it just takes less than a minute to get the speaker turned on and to get started with playing music. It's quite easy to connect two smartphones simultaneously to this device, but it will play only from one device at a time.
Yes, I'll be your woman. Yes, I'll be your baby. Yes, I'll be whatever that you tell me when you're ready. Yes, I'll be your girl. Forever will always have it. I'll be on deck. Keep it in check. When you need it, I'ma let you have it. Tell me I'm right on it. Yeah, I like the dirty rhythm you play. I wanna hear you calling my name like hey mama, hey mama.
There is also an additional 3.5mm cable provided which connects this device directly to the smartphone without using Bluetooth, and in this case the Bluetooth for the device will be automatically turned off and pairing gets disabled. In today's competitive world, each company tries to add the X element in the device that will make it stand out from the crowd. This Bluetooth speaker comes with an integrated mic, which is extremely useful for conference calls and something we do not expect from a wireless speaker. The audio output is handled by 1-inch upside facing speaker, which is just below the key at the top. The audio experience with Grooves is impressive for a speaker this size, and it is loud enough for a small party in a room. For rooms or apartment too big, you might have to look for something else. Bass production is well in tune, and there is no lack of punch as it can handle both higher and lower frequencies quite well. Even if you play at the highest possible volume, the audio levels stay below its threshold and there is minimum distortion, which is a sign of good audio device. The speaker is at its best while playing jazz or pop genres and sounds a bit harsh playing songs from trance, rock and heavy bass genres. STK claims that Grooves SMC970 can deliver up to 4 hours of playback between charges when playing at 50% of volume level. In our test, this claim holds true, but if you prefer listening to higher volumes, then battery drops within 2.5 hours, which is on the low side compared to the bigger but bulkier devices. I personally spent a lot of time taking part, and it fits perfectly on my shelf, offering me impressive loud music. Apart from this, Grooves is also highly portable to carry around along with a laptop, and I was able to enjoy my favorite TV series on the desired volume wherever I went. The STK Grooves SMC970 Bluetooth portable speaker is priced at Rs 2,499, and with this cost, it offers decent sound, elegant looks, and takes very small space on your shelf or table. This is a device for all those who like to listen music without plugging in headphones all the time. The only thing I can complain about is a small battery life, making it okay for only casual use. If you can live with this, Grooves SMC970 might be the perfect device for you. Thanks for watching Digital Conqueror. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews.